Hello, Namaste, Annyonghaseyo Kpop fans. Welcome to our channel UNNie. Today's video is about 2022 KOZ Global Boy Group Audition in KOZ Entertainment Company, which is a subsidiary or you can say a partner company of Hybe Labels, formerly known as Big Hit Labels. In this video, I will tell you audition qualifications, audition category, audition period, required attachment files, awards and benefits, audition procedure, how to apply in the audition with me and know what you need to write in the application, and results announcement. But before that, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to know more about the upcoming Kpop audition informations and tips. You can also follow me on Instagram for my upcoming videos update and some more information that I am unable to share on YouTube. The ID link is in description box. Now let's start our video. Note, if you want to know about KOZ Entertainment Company and its always open audition in which you can apply anytime in any month or year, then please watch this one video. This video link is in description box. Now let's see audition details. Audition qualifications. Any boy from any country born in or after 2000 can apply in this audition. Audition category. Apply for any one or two categories from vocal, rap, dance, music producing. Audition period from 3rd January till 31st January 10 pm KST. So this audition has already been started and its last date is 31st January, and please apply before 10 pm KST. And don't forget to change this Korean Standard Time in your own country's time zone. Like Indians need to change KST into IST. That means according to Indian Standard Times, Indians need to apply before 31st January 6:30 pm IST. You can easily change your country's time zone by using Google. Required attachment files. Please submit a frontal half upper body photo in the application form. For vocal or rap category, any song of your own choice in any language. You can also sing your self-written song, and if you want, so you can also use background music. For dance category, record a video of you showing your whole body clearly. You can dance on any song of your own choice in any language. For producing category, any genre that you want. Awards and benefits. Final round winners will get chance to be a trainee in KOZ Entertainment Company. Audition procedure. First round will be online round. In second round, there will be Zoom 1-1 round in February. In third round, final audition and meeting in Korea. Please watch these two videos to know how company will contact you for second round, what will happen in Zoom 1-1 audition, and what you need to prepare for your Zoom 1-1 audition. These videos links are in description box. How to apply. There are two separate forms for applicants under 14 and those who are 14 or above it. In 2022, those who are born after 2007 are under 14 and those who are born in or before 2007 are 14 or above it. I will attach both application forms in the description box. Open the audition application form according to your birth year, fill out the Google form, attach required picture and video and submit your form. Now let's see the application process. I am showing you application form for boys 14 and above it. First, open this form through the link in description box. Scroll down. Write your email address. Scroll down. Read this privacy policy carefully and choose Yes, I agree option. Tap on next button. Scroll down, write your full name, your height in centimeters and your contact number with country code, like India's country code is 91, and write your own 10-digit number. Here choose your date of birth, write your nationality. Write your own current residing country, state and city or town name. Attach your front face half upper body photo. attach your talent video. Just like this, you can attach your another talent video. Here write your social media platform name, for example Instagram, Facebook, KakaoTalk, etc. and then write your user ID name. Here write your any big achievement of your life. For example, if you got any big award in sports or in dance, vocal, acting, etc. or you have been a trainee in any entertainment company or you have passed any round of Kpop audition, then write about it here. After that, read it. Once submitted, it is impossible to edit or reapply the application. Please make sure all writings are correctly made. So you need to make sure that you watch and listen this one video very carefully and attentively and don't do any mistake. Otherwise, you won't be able to edit this form. Now tap here and tap on next and submit your form. Yes, you have successfully applied for this audition. All the best! After submitting this form, open your email or Gmail app and check your inbox to see whether you have got this copy of your application form or not. If you still did not get it, then refresh this page and also from here check your spam box if you did not get this email in your inbox. Results announcement. First round passers will be contacted individually within 1 month of their form submission date. Today's comment winner is Shasha. Thank you so much dear for your trust and support. Please keep supporting and loving our channel. Lots of love to you and for all my viewers. In my next video, I will announce the next comment winner from this video. So please don't forget to comment and show your love. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you a lot. If yes, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and support to our channel. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, love yourself and be happy.